Hey guys, Matt with Think. I'm here at IBM Think in Boston. We're with our friends from Lumen and IBM showing off our new voice AI suite, taking existing two-way radios, turning them into intelligent AI-powered devices. In this example, I'm going to show you a really cool use case where you can, from the two-way radio, generate a task for another team that'll go into, in this example, Teams, but it could go into any tool, Zebra, other workforce management or tasking platforms. So in this example, imagine you're walking the store floor, you notice that there's a light bulb that needs attention in the back of aisle 7, I can generate a task for our maintenance team. So I'm going to say that through the radio, it's going to give me feedback on the radio that you'll hear that the task has been created, and then there's going to be a notification here on Microsoft Teams on this device. So here you go. Create a task for maintenance to change the light bulb in the back of aisle 8.
Task assignment delivered.
It's giving me the feedback, and now you see a notification come through on the Teams device. So imagine being able to walk the floor, generate tasks on the fly without having to pull out your device, and you can get it to the right team for action. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Straight.